All right, what's going on, y'all? It's been a minute. It's been a minute since I recorded one of these videos. It's been a minute since I even traded. To be honest, too, I ain't trade. My first trade this week. I was on a trip last week. I think I posted a video like the day I the day I left. I think it was like in the airport or something like that. But another trading day here that we have for y'all. Um. Oh no, I lied. I did take some trades during my trip. I don't know. I mean, it wasn't bad. I just had some issues with like my broker and like so I just didn't really I didn't really post about those or post like videos on those because like I was on the go. I was so busy, so ain't not much I can really do for real. But that's besides the point. You're here today. Brand new video, brand new trade. We dubbed this shit. So we took one trade today on ES. So my bias for today. Oh my god, I'm starting yawning again, bro. My bias for today was um bearish down to this 4 hour imbalance here that we see on ES. Nasdaq didn't have any imbalances to fill. So I was kind of really focused on ES and focus on this imbalance area as my drawn liquidity for the at least for the AM session. Maybe not the whole day, but the AM session. I wanted to see this 4 hour imbalance get drawn into. So started off by kind of marking out our key levels. We had Asian lows here, London lows, London highs. So I'm thinking that this is and we had a SMT like a 4 hour SMT with previous day highs in London session. Yeah. So like we swept out these oh no, not previous day highs. Oh, this was Monday's highs on ES during London session. While we did not here on Nasdaq. So that was something for me to consider. Um After seeing that. Right. So that kind of like confirmed my bearish bias down to those imbalances for me at least. So already seeing that, I'm like, okay, bro, we're most likely gonna be a little bit not like may not be heavily bearish, but we're gonna be in so like we're gonna see a sell off. We're gonna see a move down, and I wanted to catch that move down because and also we had this order block here. I thought price was gonna draw into this order block right here, but price never ended up hitting it. What am I saying? Um, but nonetheless, that 4 hour imbalance for me was gonna be a strong draw for me. So that's kind of what I was focusing on. ES is the only one that had that. So I just kind of marked out all this low resistance liquidity here from London session, Asian session that was going to target on the way down to the imbalance. And plus we are bullish coming new day open, and I just realized that I cannot see my new day opening. I don't think I could change the color for that. But anyways, yeah, whatever. We have our new day opening. Boom, very bullish. A session and London session. So obviously, I wanted to see a retrace during London. I mean during New York session, and then a move up from there. And that's exactly what we ended up getting. So like I said, on the 4 hour bearish, 1 hour also bearish. So from there, I was just kind of chilling on the 5 minute time frame, just kind of waiting for things to set up. So we came in the market open, we broke structure, we invalidated that 5 minute imbalance, and we broke structure. So from there, okay, cool. Uh, bullish order flow has been disrespected. Now, oh yes, it's been disrespected. So now let's see. Wait, hold on. Let me rephrase that. Let me rephrase that. I totally forgot to mention about equilibrium too. This draw equilibrium was also within. I'm all over the place today. I'm sorry, y'all. It wasn't necessarily in that on that whole range up, but it's a new low right here. Okay, so we haven't we ain't making a new low until right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, um, yeah. So we broke. So I seen that. Okay, we were we broke structure on the 5 minute. So now I'm trying to see. Okay, are we gonna continue that move? We're gonna continue the bearish. It started this bearish trend, mind you. We swept out liquidity. Swept out all this right here. All this slow resistance liquidity got swept out all up here. So kind of enforced my bearish bias again, like I said. So after this sweep, got a bigger structure. It was clear on the 1 minute. And then from there, marked out my 1 minute imbalance, and price taps into it, as well as equilibrium from this high to these lows. Equilibrium gets tapped into, and we short that jump. Had a few take profits. One here, underneath. Gets close to these relative lows, and then my last one was pretty much at this draw right here. I should have just kept it like at the bottom of this, but I wasn't sure if price was gonna go all the way into the ML to just tap it and then just kind of get spike up and give us this move up. But we ended up filling in the entire imbalance. But nonetheless, dub trade, like, smack that drop. Even though I at first I was a little bit hesitant with entering off that 1 minute, but we did. I mean, we got our 5 minute inverse. We got our 5 minute inverse. I thought price was gonna maybe come into this small little imbalance right here, but I was like, nah, bro. We got one. Okay, one. We have our SMT. Hard time for SMT. We have our 5 minute liquidity sweep. 5 minute breaker structure with our inverse, and then we close underneath these lows. So I mean, from there, just scale out to the 1 minute time frame and then execute off 1 minute confluences, and ended up working out in in our favor. Had my stop loss above these highs. Perfect. Like, it's a dub. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up the video. Let me go ahead. We're just going ahead and show y'all. I'm just going to smack cam y'all. Smack cam y'all with the profits. I think I made like 1.7, I think. Bro, where is it, dude? Bro, I'm tripping. I'm not gonna show you that. Boom. I'm finished. That pretty much wraps up this video. I see here. I don't know, bro. May not trade tomorrow. I might just wait till Friday to trade. Because we got some quite a bit of news tomorrow, so I might just gonna lay off the market. But anyway, uh, I'm cooked. I'm gonna wrap up this video, man. I'm gonna catch you up with maybe tomorrow. Yeah. It was.